Hey everyone, it's Rachel here from Backyard Blossoms, here with another video. Today's video is my second seed haul. I ended up ordering from rareseeds.com, Baker Creek, if you know him by that name, and then I also ordered from Johnny's again. I just couldn't help it. I know it's probably way more than I probably need to grow this year, but you know, you kind of get on those websites and you're looking and scrolling, you're like, oh, that's so pretty. That's so pretty. I need that. I need that. And then by the time you know, you got 2 packages showing up on your doorstep. So let's go ahead and open them together. Okay, so I think it's only fair to tell you that it's not a sponsored video by either of these companies. I used my own money to buy both of these boxes of seeds. So just so you know, they're not sending me free stuff and it's not them telling me to do this. So enjoy the video for pure enjoyment. Let's go ahead and open up the Baker Creek. I love their seeds. It's so fun. We are gonna have a really cool garden this year. I am super excited about it all. Like super duper really excited about it all. Okay, so they send you free seeds as well when you order certain amounts, so check that out as well. The free seeds that they sent was a Japanese wasabi, and then they also sent me a cucumber as well, so that should be fun. And then I did order some specialty things from their website. This is an echinacea. How pretty is that? Do you see that? All those blooms. And then I ordered a polar bear zinnia. And then I did see some poppies on their website, and I have never grown them before, but I'm really gonna try. I did some with winter sowing, and I'll probably put these out as well. This is the Amazing Gray Poppy. And then we have the Black Peony Poppy. And then we have another zinnia. It's a Pink Senorita. This one is a Purple Peony Poppy, no picture, but here's the name of it if you're interested. And then look at this zinnia here. How cool is that? That's gonna be so fun. Hungarian Blue Bread Seed Poppy. I thought this would be pretty just in the garden, but then also if they have those big seed heads on this variety, how cool would that be in a bouquet? That would be amazing. And then I got a giant rattle poppy as well. And I did try some coxcomb. I got this variegated one here. And I thought I got another one. We'll just go through from the top. Some ornamental fringed mixed kale. That'll be fun in bouquets as well. And then I love this marigold. Look at that. And it has 20-inch plants, so it might be long enough for, it might have a long enough stem to be put in some bouquets. That'd be really cool for fall. I got these for fall bouquets as well. Those are pretty zinnias. And then look at this one. This is another poppy, this Mother of Pearl poppy. How cool is that? And then I could not complete my order without some jazzy style zinnias, jazzy red zinnia. So that is my Baker Creek order, and I am super excited about that. Let's jump into the Johnny box and see what we have in here. Okay, so Johnny's, I ordered from Johnny's earlier in the season, and I have had great success. The Lisianthus, I'll show you an update on the Lisianthus. The Lisianthus are doing pretty good. They have mostly all germinated, and I had a few varieties that were slow to germinate, but I've had really good germination with all the seeds that I've purchased from Johnny's. And I can't say anything about the seeds from Baker Creek because I haven't planted any of them yet, so that should be fun as well. Okay, so from Johnny's, exciting. Looky, there they are. Okay. We have some sunflowers. You know, I didn't get a lot of sunflowers, and so I did pick up a few more. I got the Pro Cut Orange sunflower. I got Green Mist Ami. I got Vintage Brown Stock. I got Bonita Shell Pink Aster. And then I got an Elegant Salmon Clarkia. The Cat's Formula Mix Stock. And then I got another Pro Cut White Night Sunflower. Sahara Rebecca. And then we go into the Mystery Rose Chinese Forget-Me-Not. And the Calendula, it's a flashback mix, certified organic flashback mix calendula. And then I got the Lemon Lime Celosia. And I got Rubinza Cosmos. I got some Mrs. Burns Lemon Citrus Basil. I did not grow this last year. Last year I grew all cinnamon basil and I grew just regular basil. And then I realized, oh, they have all these fun varieties. Let's change it up next year. So this season, I'm going to do the cinnamon basil again because that smelled really good. And then I'm going to do the citrus lemon basil as well. And then I got, I don't know the name of it, but it's like more of a greeny red color foliage, and it should be really pretty too. And then I got the White Cupcakes Cosmos. And then I want to try this cress. It's Persian cress, and it would be a great bouquet filler, but I don't know the germination time on it. Let's see if it says 2 to 5 days, but I don't know how many days it takes to bloom or till, you know, it matures. But I'll research that and I'll give you an update on that as well. And then the king size apricot aster. I grew a ton of asters last year. They added just that little extra quality that the bouquet needed just to kind of put it up to the next level. It was so cool. Those asters just really made that bouquet just sparkle. And then I got a pastel mix, so Status. I did get the formula mix, I think they called it, where it was all the different colors. But I thought having some pastel this spring might be fun in bouquets. And even in summer bouquets, you could add a lot of pastel in there as well. And it really does add a little extra and just kind of puts it up to the next level. I got some Chantilly Bronze Snapdragons. And I didn't have any of the Chantilly that I ordered, and I've never grown them before. These should really be pretty as well. And then I did get the Madame Butterfly Pink Snapdragon. I got the Lavender Snapdragons. I got the Berry Blend. It was out of stock when I ordered last time from Johnny's, and they did restock it. So I'm really, really excited about this Berry Blend Snapdragon. And then I had all the Queen Lime series of the zinnias, but I did not find the orange. And so that is what I did get from Johnny's, is the orange of the Queen Lime series, and I'm super excited about that. I got a white stock. And then this celosia is going to be so cool. It's a terracotta color, and I am in love with it. I grew celosia last year and I really loved how it looked. It was so pretty. Loved just the texture that it adds in a bouquet. It was so fun. Early Bronze Snapdragon, I got that one as well. And then I did find the Double Click Bicolor Violet Cosmos. Those are going to be fun as well. And another sunflower is the Peach color. It's a Pro Cut series. That's what I'm growing for cut flowers, are all Pro Cut series. They're supposed to have less pollen, and I'm super excited about sunflowers. They just added so much into a bouquet last year, and I didn't have enough of them. I grew maybe like 50. You know, I'm a small grower, and you know, I have limited space in my yard, and so growing sunflowers, I love them. I'm gonna succession plant them this year, and definitely going to be enjoying that for sure. And then the Pampas Plume Celosia, I did get that as well. And then the Rocket Mix Hybrid Snapdragon, I got that. And the Madame Butterfly F1 Hybrid Series, I did get that as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and these seeds. I will give you an update as I grow them, how I'm growing them, and how they look in the garden this season. I hope that you are able to enjoy your winter and your seeds, and I will catch you next time. Thanks for watching.